Hello guys! The nice thing about crypto is the transparency. You can see on the on-chain data, you can see who's purchasing the token, who's selling the token, who's longing, who's shorting. It's not like in the normal banking when there's so many transactions behind the scene and they're not available for a normal folks to have a look at. With crypto, you can have a look at the most profitable traders and you can see what they're up to. You can see whether they buy, whether they're selling, whether they're long, whether they're short. You can see everything if you know where you're looking. I'm looking at the market makers, okay? There is a market maker called Wintermute, okay? What they do is they market making for plenty of tokens and they are very profitable. So this is the account from the Wintermute making. And as you can see, they started in the 2nd of May and they started with 0, so they haven't traded. They did trade a little bit and look what happened. By today, they are up about $75 million. Okay, this is what we do. We track the smart money wallets. We see what they're up to. And Wintermute opened quite a lot of short positions on the Hyperliquid. The newest one that's been opened today is the Bitcoin position, and guess what? They went short. Those guys are very profitable, so I wouldn't fade them at all. Yes, they are in the red at the minute, but if you look closely, yes, they had periods when they were like -2, -3 million, sometimes even more, -5. But eventually, those guys making money, okay? So what they did is they opened a brand new short on Bitcoin. And this is something I've been talking about all the time. Sorry if you can hear the dogs in the background, but it's so hot. I need to have the windows open. So hopefully that's not gonna bother you too much. If you watch my previous videos, you've probably seen this chart, and if you look at this, this is a beautiful bull flag, okay? You have the pole, and this is the flag. The question is, are we gonna break this flag now and go to the upside? I can't answer this question, obviously. But if you know something about bull flags, you know that whenever we are inside the flag, we do have this downtrend, okay? And we just trend in this bull flag. What I'm thinking they betting on is that Bitcoin is gonna have one more leg down to retest this. And if you would have this another leg down, that would mean Bitcoin is gonna fall to about 96k in the worst case scenario, okay? Maybe weak slightly lower. It might be a stretch, but on the Bitcoin CME futures, we still have this gap that we haven't filled, okay? And the gap is at 93k, 92.5, more or less. And if you look at Bitcoin, if it would have this another leg down, the 50% retracement from this whole move is exactly at 93,186. Exactly where the CME gap is. It's in exact same spot. So my question is Wintermute betting on Bitcoin going lower one more time? Very hard to say. But they put the money where their mouth is. They literally bet almost $3 million that this is the case, okay? And that's not the only position that they have. They do have also Ethereum, 20x short, Hype, So, Fartcoin. They literally short in the entire market. The only long that they have is the SPX. They got Ondo as well, Aptos, Mudeng, but it's mostly like, look at this position. This is 26 million position on ETH short, and the liquidation price is 9.5k on the Ethereum. So I'm very sorry, Ethereum bulls. Guys, very quickly, there is a free Discord if you would like to see those updates straight away. Takes me ages to do the video, edit it and upload it. All this information you can find in our free Discord. We post a lot of market updates, crypto setups, stock setups. You can verify everything. We post P&Ls all the time. There's other people who also post their wins and losses. Also, if you join the Discord within the next 7 days, What I will do is I will allow you to use my own indicator for 14 days. It's called Sir Crypto Ultimate Package. What it does on 1 hour time frame and 30 minutes is gonna show you buy and sell signals, and you can trade with it. Okay, guys, you have absolutely nothing to lose. Perfect community, beautiful setups, free indicator for 14 days, not much to lose. I will see you in the Discord.